My video tutorial is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site sumatrain.com. Sumatrain.com is a new malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Sumatrain.com tries to make you click on allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you're not a robot. But when people mistakenly do that and click on allow, their browser is hijacked and contaminated with multiple ads that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you've mistakenly done that, if you've clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser pretty urgently, otherwise you would keep facing plenty of ads that will be attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. So to fix your browser, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Research the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these malicious sites if you find them. In order to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, I do recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start examining your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.